Hey guys, it's Nali here. I wanted to share with you this fantastic web application or website that helps you to compress your large images. I usually download uh, asset or pictures for my website from uh, many sources, and I found in that they're very large. So whenever I use them to build my website, I end up experiencing visitors being frustrated, not being able to, you know, um, access some of the resources of my site. And I was wondering why. Then I came to realize that really is because uh, most of the photos that I use there, they are so large that it takes so much time um, for them to download. And therefore, I came across this site called tinypng.com, which is really fantastic. And I've been really using it. I'm using it as a basic resources, and you can see you can go web professional. But what I usually do, if I get my images, I just upload them here, and then it does it automatically for me. So it compresses it, and then I download the small file of it. So I will show you how I do it. So I got my two pictures here. All I need to do is to click and drag it in there and drop it, and then it analyzes it. It was formerly 4 megabit, which is a large file. And once it is done, I can just download it. So now it has compressed it by up to 70%. And from 4 megabit, I've got only 1 megabit remaining. And that's easy as that. So why don't you check them out? They are tinypng.com. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.